Okay, our writing lesson for today is we're going to continue with our fairy tale writing. The objective of this lesson is that you will be able to write the problem and solution of your story. We can start by looking at some common problems and solutions in fairy tales. In Little Red Riding Hood, the problem was that Little Red Riding Hood needs to bring food to her grandmother, but the wolf wants to eat her. The solution was that Little Red Riding Hood figures out that she's been tricked and turns the table on the wolf. In The Three Little Pigs, the problem is that the wolf wants to eat the three little pigs. The solution is that the two lazy pigs ran to the third pig and were safe in his house because it was built with bricks. And in Hansel and Gretel, the problem was that Hansel and Gretel fall into the hands of a witch who wants to eat them. And the solution was that at the end they trick the witch and get away from her. Now it's your turn. You're going to be using the graphic organizer, step 4, creating a problem and solution. The problem is you will write what the problem is in that your main character faces. The problem is something bad that happens, and it usually happens because there's a villain. There's a villain in the story. And then you will also write the solution. How will the problem be solved? Remember to show anybody that may have helped them to solve their problem.